We'll guide you through how to compare Krita and Photoshop so you can decide which is better for your digital art needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Krita's official website to download the latest version if you haven't already. Install it on your desktop. Krita is a free, open-source painting program that offers a range of brushes, vector tools, and a customizable interface. It's particularly well-suited for illustrators and concept artists. Once you have Krita open, check out the brush presets on the right-hand side. You can customize these by clicking on the brush icon and adjusting settings like size, opacity, and blending modes. Krita also supports layers with blending modes similar to Photoshop, which you can find in the Layers panel. Now, open Photoshop if it's installed on your computer. If not, head to Adobe's website to get a subscription. Photoshop is a powerhouse for photo editing and graphic design, with advanced features like smart objects, layer styles, and extensive third-party plugin support. Once in Photoshop, take a look at the tool panel on the left. Here you'll find the brush tool, which is customizable through the top menu bar. Photoshop offers more advanced adjustment layers and filters, which can be accessed from the top menu under Images and Filter. Both programs have strengths and weaknesses. Krita excels in creating artwork from scratch with its robust brush engine, while Photoshop is unparalleled for photo manipulation and graphic design. Consider your primary needs. If you're focused on illustration, Krita might be the way to go. But if you need comprehensive photo editing tools, Photoshop could be more beneficial. Both programs support a wide range of file formats, so you can work across them if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.